Hey guys, so today we're going to flush out the new water line that we put in. So I'll be using this fitting here. So in my last video I showed you this. So this is a 3/4 inch uh, male connection that I'll be screwing in over here. So I disconnected the hose. This hose was connected to this fitting here. I'll be taking this fitting out and screwing this one in. So I have the crescent wrench here, and I'm going to take this out, and then I'll be screwing this in, and I'll be connecting this up to the air compressor. I have to open up the valves on the two new spigots, so I'll be showing you that. And I've got another valve that I need to open up, and I'll show you that in a minute. So again, this is the hose thread to the machine thread, brass connector. And now I'm connecting in this. This is just used to blow out the line. So again, this will be connected to the air compressor, and we'll be blowing out the lines here in a few minutes here. So guys, as we're working here, you may hear some loud bangs. So we live here in Hinckley, Ohio, and there's a lot of gun enthusiasts here, and you may hear some gunshots firing, and that's pretty normal here. And there was one right there, and another. Okay, so this is one of the spigots that we put in, and if you guys recall, the line comes down like this. There's a T connector which runs over here, and I've got this clean out here, and underneath here is a shut-off valve. So I'll be taking this off, and I've got the shut-off valve here. This shut-off valve is connected to this line here, and this is another area for the water to evacuate. So this is the lowest point of the whole system. So the idea is to make sure that all of the water is expelled. So I'll be opening this valve, and the whole purpose of this is just to keep this valve clean throughout the winter. All right, again, so this section right here is the lowest part of the entire system. So again, we want the water to completely drain out of here so it doesn't freeze. These lines are only about 6 to 8 inches deep in the ground, and we don't want them freezing up over the winter. So this is the other spigot in the system. So this is the one furthest from the house. I've opened this up so that as we shoot the air pressure through the line, it'll shoot the water out. All right, so I've connected the air hose to the fitting. So I'll be plugging in the air compressor now, and we should see the water start shooting out of the two spigots and the shut-off area at the lowest point. I see water coming out here. So yeah, I see the water coming out here. What I may do is shut this faucet and see if that increases the air pressure. Okay, so that did increase the air pressure. We're seeing more water come out. So we can see the faucet near the lean-to is expelling the water. So I just shut off the other faucet and the other valve. That way the pressure is increased. Alright, so we're going to try this one more time. So I let the air compressor build all the way up. It just turned off. So my wife is at the far end there. You can see she's getting ready to film. So I'm going to plug this in, see if any additional water comes out.
So what I just did is allow the air compressor to rebuild the pressure and try this run one more time. As you can see, only a few drops of water are coming out. So it looks like this run was pretty much evacuated.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to have both spigots closed, and we're just going to open this valve, which again is the low spot, the lowest spot, and see if any water comes out of here. And I'm hoping this is it, and the system should be completely clear of water. So I'm going to open this valve and make sure this spigot is closed, which it is. So now I'm going to plug in the air compressor one more time. So at this point, it looks like we've evacuated all of the water out of the system. So that pretty much wrapped up our evacuation of the system. So we'll see how it looks in the spring. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Goodbye.